Hi everyone, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to have a chat to you about Brussels sprouts. So these poor little things, they really cop it in the vegetable world. A lot of people hate eating these, which I'm so disappointed about because they're absolutely delicious. Now, having grown up in Germany, these are quite common. We eat them a lot. But I think I want to share some ideas with you today, a couple of different tips that you might like to try, and it may actually change the way you look at these little babies because they're absolutely delicious if they're served the right way. Now, I know sometimes you can buy a batch of these and they may be bitter. Maybe they've been sitting on the shelves in your grocery store for too long, but keep trying. Try to get them fresh and it will make all the difference. So rather than cooking these, I mean, you can cook these in multiple ways. You can chop them up, you can steam them, you can boil them, you can bake them, put them in the air fryer, cover them in some balsamic vinegar and fry them up in the air fryer. That's absolutely delicious. But today I actually want to talk to you about a couple of ways that you can serve these raw. So rather than munching on a whole piece of Brussels sprouts, we're going to cut these up in a way that actually is similar to cabbage. So what you can do is shred these and then you can mix them with your favorite vegan mayonnaise, a plant-based cashew cream, for example, and then serve it as a cabbage salad substitute. So that's one way that you can do these, and I will just chop through this one just so you can see that the texture of this, it's like a mini cabbage. It's a baby cabbage, and obviously they're from the same vegetable family. So at the end of the day, if you like cabbage but you don't like Brussels sprouts, then try thinking of this as a cabbage and then shred it up. And yes, of course, these are going to be smaller shreds than you would get with a regular cabbage, but you can make a delicious salad. And when things are actually chopped up, so if you have any type of vegetable that you don't like, if you chop it up into small pieces, you may actually find that it's actually palatable for you and that it's an interesting way, interesting texture that your mouth actually agrees with. So give that a try. Make some little Brussels sprouts, cabbage salad substitutes and see what you think. I would love to hear what you think on that as well. So give it a try, and if you have tried this, what types of things do you use your chopped up or shredded Brussels sprouts in? Yum, yum, yum. Love them. Now, my second tip that I want to share with you is that you can actually just pull off the leaves. Again, it's a different texture. So you can see they're just beautiful tiny leaves, and you can just grab them, pull them off, and they're almost like little baby spinach leaves. And again, you can make a salad out of the leaves. So one of the simple ways to do this is just to chop off the end, and then all of these leaves will come off easily. You can just pull them off and then put them in your salad. So let me know what you think of this. It just makes it so much more palatable for a lot of people, and I hope that you give it a try. And if it does change your mind about the humble Brussels sprouts, then please let me know. And why not join me over in my Facebook group and show me a photo of what you're making with this. Show me a photo or let me know, a comment over there on how you like to cook these. So I hope this has helped you. I hope it makes the Brussels sprout more palatable for you if you haven't liked it in the past. And happy cooking. See you for the next recipe. Bye for now.